Hey, what's up guys? Meridian Apurture here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. This was announced on August the 5th, 2020, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you today. First things first, we can see on the box on the front cover we do have this gorgeous all-screen design. The camera has been moved to the side from previous versions, which was at the top, and we do have the S Pen included in the box. Those of you who are very familiar with the Samsung Galaxy Note line will be very familiar with this. So let's open up the box, shall we? Now they make it very easy. There's no plastic on the box, which I think is good because of course it's bad for the environment to have plastic on boxes. Just slide my knife in there. Be careful, if you have a knife it's very sharp. And open the tabs. On phone boxes, I remember they only had the single tab, so now they've got two tabs, so it's a little bit more secure. And let's open up the box for the big reveal. Epic fail. Set that aside, and the first thing we have is the tablet itself. Ooh, let's bring this out. Oh wow. Now I've gone with the Tab S7 Plus, which has a larger 12.4 inch display. That's up from 11 inches on previous Tab devices. There was only one size, now there are two sizes. Now we do have a cover, so let's pull this off. Okay, so it took me a minute to figure this out, but you have to pull this bit off at the back. I was thinking that this bit at the top, or even this bit, you could peel off, but no, you have to turn it over and it's on the back, just to save you guys any confusion. Pull it out of this sleeve. And here we have the Tab S7 Plus in silver. Now it's hard to fit it all in shot because it's so large, but first impressions, just wow. They've polished the frame, so it's got this kind of brushed, shiny metal look, and it's extremely thin. It's 5.4 millimeters. I don't think you're going to get any thinner than that. It's even thinner than the iPad, I think, which is 5.9 millimeters. Now the first thing you'll probably notice is this strip here down the back. This is where you can connect your S Pen magnetically to make it wirelessly charge. So that's handy, of course. Samsung does sell a wireless keyboard case that you just attach to the magnetic pins here, and it has a cover for the pen, so if you have the S Pen in there you won't lose it, it won't drop out anytime soon. So let's put the tablet to the side and check out the other accessories in the box. So we have the S Pen here. Pretty nice size. Feels like an actual pen actually. Has a fairly soft plastic rubber tip. We do have a button on the side. This is used for the software feature of activating different menu windows. So when you hover above the screen, you press the button and then you get a selection of options to do with your S Pen. But I'll show you the magnetic connection right now. So here's my Tab S7 Plus. Here is my S Pen. The tip of it facing upwards, and stick it on there and it wirelessly charges. How convenient is that? That's great. We do have, I believe, a 15-watt charging brick in the box. Now, this does support up to 45-watt charging. So if you do have a Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S20, or a phone that comes with a 25-watt charger in the box, you can use that. The 45-watt charger is sold separately. But that's your 15-watt charger, just a standard UK one with 3 prongs. Opens out like so. Pretty cool. What's this? Oh, it is USB-C to USB-A cable. I don't know why they're not using USB-C, but it is what it is. That's what you get in the box. And last but not least, we do have some paperwork in here, which I have just epically broken. And we do have our SIM ejector tool on the back of here. It does come in two storage sizes, a 256 gig and a 128 gig. So if you need more storage, by all means you can do that, but we do have, of course, the micro SD card slot. There is also a 5G version, so if you need cellular connectivity, then by all means it's available, but it's also very expensive. So then, that's everything you get in the box. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I will have a review coming up after using it for a couple of weeks, and I will be sure to let you know how I get on. But thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe down below. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.